What's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with an SAT type math problem that I adopted from a real SAT problem. Before we solve, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you pause it and give it a shot first. Okay? Now, this asks us, it gives us this equation, and it asks us for the equation above, what is the value of C? So this is a pretty simple one here. If you look at this here, this is the difference of squares, okay? Um, yeah, so let's actually factor that out. So that becomes 3x plus 4, 3x minus 4. If you want to check it, just FOIL it back out. 9 minus 12 plus 12, then minus 16. That is equal to cx plus b, cx minus b. All you have to do to be able to know what c is just kind of check it out. These are actually they're the same format as these with the variable. So you can just basically just kind of like interpolate that C has to be 3 because yeah, it just is. You got um this this factoring of some um supposedly unknown polynomial, and then you have this one that we factored. If you look at the way it's formatted, it's clear that C is actually equal to 3. Let me know if you got it. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.